what is the last date to submit the assignment?
I think it was 2nd October if I'm not wrong.
2nd October. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's start with the question that I wanted to discuss. Write a question. Now the question is, sorry, you have a matrix A which is 1 1 0 1 2 minus 1 2 3 minus 1. Find non-singular matrices P and Q such that PAQ is in the normal form. Whenever you get this kind of question, the process is we will follow what we did in class 12, that when you were using column operation, you were writing A is equal to AI. And when you were using row operation, you were writing A is equal to IA. Do you remember that? When the question was to get the inverse using elementary transformation, you were using, if it was row operation, it was A is equal to IA, and if it was column operation, it was A is equal to AI. Is it okay or not? This you did in class 12th. Now here what we will do, we will club both of it. What is our objective? The objective is that PAQ should be in normal form. That means if you write A is equal to IAI and you convert A in I, then how this I and how this I is converted, this I will give you P and this I will give you Q. Till here, are you clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you remember this, just remember that when you apply any row operation in this, you will focus on this I, left I, or prefactor. When you apply any column operation in it, you will focus on post factor. Prefactor to what? Prefactor to A. Post factor to A. Is this okay? All row operations will be performed in prefactor and all column operations will be performed on post factor. And where will you perform these operations? To convert this A into I. After using whatever you are doing here this side, then you will get a matrix of this form where P and Q are non-singular matrix, and when they are applied on A, the output gives you I. Just remember this thing. Is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So what I am going to do, I am taking this question and let us see how we go about it.
There is any relation between P and Q?
There is any relation means? P and Q
The
are related
inverse
to
or
A. No, 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 not like that. P and Q are related to A. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
And in which way they are related? They are when you apply PAQ, the output gives you I, which is the normal form of A. All right.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
so let's try and do it. Now you have this situation. This is your pre-factor. Then you have A, and this is your post-factor. Okay. This is pre-factor, and this is post-factor. Pre relates to row operations, post relates to column operations. Is it all right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's try and solve it. So your A is,
Ma'am, how we have written A equals to IAI?
I think I have explained it, Bacha.
There was connectivity issue.
There was,
Connectivity issue, ma'am.
okay. It is connected to the thing that you did to find inverse of A, if you remember in class 12th. That when you were doing row operations, you were writing A is equal to IA, and when you were doing column operations, that was A is equal to AI. So we are clubbing it to get A in normal form. So this is our A. Now, initially what I'll do, I'll take column operation and row operation, and I'll mix it so that you are clear with it. So let's try and understand what is the first thing we will do. Just see what I am going to do. I'm writing first step. What do I do to make it, what do I do to make this 0? So I need to change C2. We have to make this one. Just remember, our focus is to make it I. So just see what I am writing first. C2 goes to C2 minus C1, and C3 goes to C3 minus 3C1. You see, no change in first row as it, sorry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so in this, whenever we are doing column operation, we're gonna do with the I matrix, and when
Post factor.
yes, ma'am, when we are gonna do the row operation, we're gonna do with the prefactor.
Pre-factor, correct.
In this
So
question only, right? So that way we can find P and
in
Q.
this type of question where you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
find P and Q, this is specific question.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Keep that thing in mind. This is a specific to this question. Now, since we are doing column operations, so this will remain intact. We will only focus on the post factor. So C2 minus C1, no change in first column. Second column, C2 minus C1 will give you 0, 1, minus 1. And third column will give you C3 minus 3C1. So minus 1, 3 minus 3 gives you 0, and minus 1. Is this all right? No,
Ma'am, we don't have the change in A.
A will not be affected. A will not be affected.
Ma'am, not the middle one, the first one.
Yes, ma'am. We have to say.
We will do. But you
Okay,
can't do
ma'am.
it together, na? You will do it one by one. Just a minute. Let me write it again. It's all messed up. C2 minus C1. Here you had, see what you had. You had this. Okay. Now with this first step, I'm writing it first step here. So the first step is C2 minus C1, no change in first column. Second column will give you 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1. Third column will give you 2 minus 2 gives you 0, 3 minus 2 gives you 1, minus 1 minus 0 gives you minus 1. This is your left hand side. Okay, now right hand side. A, no change in first column. Second column, C2 minus C1. So minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 0, 0. Then C3 minus 2 C1. So minus 2, 0, 1. Is this fine or any doubt in it? Hmm? First step is understood? Hmm? Please ask if there is any
Yes,
doubt.
ma'am.
Now second step, I'm going to do row operation. R2 goes to R2 minus R1. So left hand side will be no change in R1, no change in R3, only change in R2. So 1 minus 1 gives me 0, minus 0 gives me 1, and 1 minus 0 gives me 1. Okay? Check kar lo
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
1 minus 1 gives us 0, 1 minus 0 gives us 1, 1 minus 0 gives us. Is it fine? Now we will see what is there in right hand side. The prefactor will be affected, so no change in R1 and no change in R3. We will focus only on R2. 0 minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 0, 0. And we will write post factor as it is. Is this fine? Okay. Now let's think of third step. What is disturbing us? We want to make this part as 0, right? So let us see if I write C3 goes to C3 minus C2. The left hand side will be so minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1 and 1. Is it okay? Please see the calculation mistake if there is any. Now what is disturbing us? This is disturbing us, right? This is the only disturbance that is left. So let's write fourth step. R3 goes to R3 plus R2. So left hand side 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 This is equal to no change in first row, No change in second row, and third row is R3 plus R2. So minus 1, 1, 1. A 1 0 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 1. Now if you check this is normal form. See, you are able to write it as I2 O O, right? This is equal to P A Q, where since you can see this is lower triangular matrix and determinant P gives you 1, this is upper triangular matrix, determinant Q gives you 1. So where P is 1 minus 1 minus 1, 0 1 1 0 0 1. Are you able to understand how do we find P and Q in this case?
मैम लेकिन जो मैट्रिक्स हम लोगों ने कन्वर्ट किया है आइडेंटिटी फॉर्म में वो I3 फॉर्म की नहीं है।
I3 आएगा, ये कैसे पता? नॉर्मल फॉर्म में कहाँ लिखा है I3 आएगा?
नहीं मैम, लेकिन बाकी सारी मैट्रिक्स के कॉन्टेक्स्ट से हम लोग अपना डाटा में पता करते
आप
हैं
क्या
कि
कर रहे हो? आप नॉर्मल फॉर्म निकाल रहे हो। नॉर्मल फॉर्म आपको क्या देता है? रैंक देता है, right? So if the rank of the matrix is 2, you can't get I3, right?
Ma'am, the values of P and Q vary.
It depends on which step you are adopting, but it doesn't change.
Yes,
What you
ma'am,
are
I did with different steps and the values are different for P and Q, but the normal form is same.
that's okay. That's okay. Suppose
Okay, ma'am.
instead of putting this as I2, if you put this as I2, then your P will be different from mine.
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose instead of this, you got this. Possibility is there, right?
No,
Then
ma'am,
what?
I got the same. I2
That's
means
okay.
same. I2
That's
0
so.
0.
That's okay. That's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But you must have got one upper triangular and one lower triangular.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I got this.
Okay. And the second thing, you need to
Okay.
check that their determinant should not be 0. If you are doing it correct, your determinant P and determinant Q will not be 0. And how will we
Ma'am, I
identify?
firstly up.
See, listen, what I am saying, listen carefully. This
Yes,
P
ma'am.
and Q are, this is lower triangular and this is upper triangular, right? And you
Yes,
have
yes, ma'am.
done this, that if you have a triangular matrix, the value of the determinant is the product of the elements at the diagonal, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see that it is non-zero value, and even this is non-zero value because the diagonal does not contain any zero value.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm? Now I'm giving you one more question. Please try it out. Write down. Question number 2. The matrix A is 1 1 3 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1. Okay. Find non-singular matrices P and Q such that PAQ is in normal form. Now, please solve. Your quiz is assigned for tomorrow or today? Class?
Ma'am, today.
Today.
Today, na? Okay, okay. Just see if the quiz is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it for today or tomorrow?
Is it visible for tomorrow or today?
Ma'am, it says due tomorrow at 3:15.
Tomorrow.
Okay, I'm editing. Now what it is saying? Today, na? So it must be open now. Just check. Ariman Anand, are you able to see this?
It's due today now.
Uh,
Can
you
I
can,
open it?
yes, please start. Once you finish it, then you can finish the question. Please start the quiz. I hope all are able to access it now. Class, I hope you all are able to see. Once you are done, let me know. Most of you have submitted, I suppose. No, must be doing.
Ma'am, mine is not opening.
Why, beta?
Ma'am, it's showing untitled page.
Ma'am, in
Refresh.
fourth question, what is the meaning of A and star minus 1?
Beta, that is 8 inverse.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, it was difficult to write in form, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes.
What is the meaning of a triangle, ma'am?
That is a to the
I cannot
power.
understand that.
That is a
Question
to the
one.
power. That is a to the power. Question can't be same, beta. It's shuffled. So whatever is
Okay, ma'am.
question one, it is something else with for
Okay.
others. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the question, the rank of identity matrix I, there is no order mentioned, so we just have to take any I, like it could be any
See,
order.
you have to see from the question. It has some reference with the question.
Okay.
Ma'am, still it is not showing the quiz.
I don't know, beta. Refresh yourself, recheck why it is not showing to your thing.
Ma'am, it's again and again showing untitled page.
That means something is wrong with your thing. Can you share your screen? Just a minute. You are Vidhi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just hold on. Just show me your screen. This is not your screen. Go to general.